it's Lenore and I'm at Westside Regional Medical Center. Last day that it's going to be called that. Tomorrow, March 3rd, they're changing their name. So we're setting up now for a big party that we're going to have here tomorrow, most of the day. 3 different parties for 3 different shifts of people. It's a hospital, so it's all day, but we are setting up the nitty-gritty. You can hear the tent is going up as we talk through the tent. So I wanted to show you how I got here early. It's super early, it's the day before, but I wanted to get here with the tent company so I could put up my brackets. These are my brackets that I'm going to do the chandeliers from because there's no way I'll be able to reach it tomorrow. So what I've done is I'm using a keychain, pretty simple idea because the balloons don't weigh much. I've put fishing line around the top. I've attached it. I've taped it so that they stay somewhat in place. I want them to move around in the wind, but I don't want the top part to move. And then I've attached another piece of fishing line. I've made it super long so that tomorrow I can tie at the end and then pull it up through. So it's gonna work out like a little chain pulley system that I've done. And then I put this here so hopefully nobody will be hit. It's just fishing wire, so it shouldn't hurt them. So this is our exciting thing for tomorrow. And you can see I have one in the center, which this one has a longer cord because this will be the main center chandelier piece that we're doing. And then we have one more over here, and again it's the same process that I did with the fishing line. So I'm very excited. Our tent is going up, and we should be done. So I will be back tomorrow and I'll show you the final setup. We're doing a lot. We're doing an entryway. This handicap entryway will be our entryway, which will be decorated with balloons. We will have balloons at the employee entrance. We'll have our chandeliers again hanging off of here. Under the tent, we'll have the photo booth. We're also going to have a photo booth backdrop with balloons and organic garland. And we are also going to have stanchions, but instead of using the velvet ropes, because we want it to be playful and fun, we are going to be using Linko balloons to create the ropes in between. So I'm excited. Again, I'm at Westside Regional Medical Center, which is changing tomorrow. It's going to be called HCA. And that's the big change. Shh, don't tell anybody until tomorrow. So I will see you. I'm going to let the tent guys keep moving along. Thanks. So earlier I showed you how I met with the tent company yesterday to put up my wires, and the one fell, so I had to start from scratch. So you'll see what it would be like if you had to start from scratch, which isn't horrible. It's just easier if you're meeting the tent company to go ahead and do it beforehand. So now you can see I have the 3 stars up there with the logo for HCA Florida. And once we open up all the walls and get everything else set, they will blow in the wind. And I'll take a video of what we look like all final and set up. You can see they're pretty sturdy when I hit them and move them around. So no matter how hard the wind is today, we are about 6 miles from the beach, so it's not too windy here. And so we're getting all set. Few more hours and this place will look dramatically different. See you soon.